Today we went to the shop and we're gonna show you what we've got from there. I'm gonna go first and it's gonna be Mihai's turn. First I got this pen, which is a mermaid pen. It's like it has like glitter in it with water. When you tip it over, the glitter comes like on the bottom and top. And I think it's extra fun. I know. Let's test it out.
Guys, you can see
it's really, really nice. The texture.
You can see we have been to Mac.
And now it's time for my Meemeow. I love these. I already have.
Wait, does the ears have something?
The ears. Oh, I can't get the ears. Yeah, see it. Which one do you think I'm
the
going
Galaxy
to
one?
get?
The Galaxy one. For sure, the Galaxy one.
Let's see. Wait, there's a checklist so they could.
Galaxy.
There's a bunch of them. There's a moon cat. There's a sun cat. There's a galaxy cat. There's a ruby cat. There's a sapphire cat. There's an emerald cat, diamond cat, and rainbow cat. I really, really, really want the galaxy cat.
Me too.
If not sapphire, moon, and diamond cat. Let's see what I get.
Yes.
Look at this. It's a cat. Ruby cat.
Hey.
I have one more. I will go get
it. Now she's gone. Let's do my unboxing. No? Hi.
This is the other one I have. Her name is Cupcake Cat. This is Ruby Cat. This is Cupcake Cat. I like the colors. They work together. It's a cat sandwich. Your turn.
Yeah.
It's Mihai's turn. Come on.
I have this Roblox guy. It's like Play-Doh.
Can I see it?
Oh, it's Play-Doh.
Wait, it's bad Play-Doh.
It's not too well.
It feels like it's a balloon with like some hard, like kinetic sand or something. It's like a block. You can shape it how you like.
Did I collect his bones?
Look, you can shape it how you like to get it.
And I also have this.
If I poke it, it will make a hole there, and it's like, it feels very, very weird. It feels like it's kinetic sand. It is called Squishy Smiley Face. We got it for £1.50.
I got it. You mean?
Yeah, and then this here is it's a micro fidget that comes in a like in a pack thing. There's one at the top. It was for £4. Let's see what we got at the top. There is a fidget spinner, which you have to put the sides on. A tiny fidget spinner. Every time when I had a normal fidget spinner, I would have to go all the way to the edge so you can actually spin it. This one I can just. It's really
This one is a ball one.
There's a checklist. There's a checklist that what you can get. What was it? Okay,
It's a ball one.
You can get all of these.
I all of these.
And then there's some more on the.
Let's go.
Yeah, and he got On the packet, it says you can get 5 micro fidgets. Because it's where does it say that? It said we can collect 5 fidgets.
This is blue.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Can I open one? Can I open this one?
Yeah.
Thank you.
There's nothing.
I can feel it. My hand it's very tiny. It's a tiny, I think it's a snake or something. What is it? It's like a noodle. It's a noodle thing. That thing there. First, you got a fidget spinner, now we got a ball, and third we get this noodle thing. What is it? Your turn. Use the scissors. Don't bite it. You hungry or something?
No. Well, I paid for me.
This guy is now an egg. What did you get? What is it? It's a little cat thing. I think it squats out something. Okay, it has a hole here for some reason.
Maybe it's for this.
For the noodle thing.
Yes.
I don't think that's how it works. Let's. What is this thing? It's just a cat. Okay, the last and final one is this one here. Do you wanna? I'll cut it open and you show them.
Well, how is this?
Come on, open up. See what do you get?
It's blue. It's a blue teddy bear.
It's a teddy bear. It's like this cat thing.
But I actually like
it. Has a hole here. So this is our mini collection.
Look.
1, 2, 3.
They're kissing.
No.
They're kissing. Mia.
Anyone though.
So this is what we got.
We got this like monkey noodle thing. We got a little fidget. We got these 2 cat and bear things, and we also got this football fidget spinner.
That's what I always wanted.
It's very, very cool. I actually really like it. Can I have some? Like this is you can save it to put them all back in it, so you don't lose them like that. And then this guy is just broken. He just like
broke it. I broke his
like
ankle.
a worm.
Say
we are going to play with these. Do you want to play with your toys?
Yeah. Super cat.
His face is broken. I gotta go him out. He's dead, laughing.
His face is fake.
I like his little hair. This is, I literally think it's a balloon. Let's put them away now.
No, please don't tell me my favorite toy stuff. No.
That one.
I thought this was.
How many do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 5. Okay, we're not missing any. And that big guy. Let's see if it fits in here with the toy. Let's see if it fits. And then close it up. Yeah. That is the end of the video.
No, it's not. It's not. We're staying here forever. Never. Look at me. He's chilling in a hot tub. Oh my god.
I actually really like Ruby Cat.
Me too.
Ruby Cat.
Let's go.
This guy is riding Ruby Cat. Time to to carry it up.
Of the pull.
This goes in the
Give
bag.
me my dream.
I will put the scissor board. I will put this back in his bed. I name her Ruby instead of Ruby Cat, and I named this one Cupcake. Cupcake Ruby.
The best friends.
Yeah, like us.
Yeah.
You're Ruby and Cupcake.
My Ruby.
No. 5, mine.
Rose
I
in
will
another
tidy up
photo.
right now so we can have more stuff.
And Rose little in another hot tub. Rose little in another hot tub.
You made him circle again. Wait, put him in.
Oh no.
Try to put. I thought it was gonna work to make him a ball again. You know, just like.
I took it to my fingers. We
We made him a ball again! Yay! No problem. He got flat.
He got sweet.
It's a little paw print. Right there. I think it's so. Has it? Look, right there. I don't know what it is.
Wait, let's press it.
It doesn't do anything. It doesn't do anything. I actually pretty like it.
Well, I'm gonna make this flat as a pancake.
They're not gonna make it. Thank you for watching our video. Hope you like it. If you want us to do something, please tell us in the comments and we'll see if we can do them. Bye.
Thick.
See you next time.
Thick.